everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Charms Lifestyle channel. You know, today I give you another vlog of my life. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so and put that post notification bell on so that you will be notified when I upload another video. And you can also follow me on Instagram at charms_lifestyle, my business page at Golden Charms Beauty Palace, and my daughter's business page at Deidre's Fashion District. Now, let's get in our video. I am at the laundry today, guys. I am doing my laundry. So I'm gonna give you a look of the laundry and tell you the history behind this laundry here that I am doing my washing. Just that's the entry door right there, and just showing you the setup of the laundry. Yeah, over here we have the soap machine. You can get your soap and you can also get your clean, and that is the clothes rinse. And yes, you always have a bin here, and that's the price list right there. Over here you have the machine that shows you the prices of each machine and the cost of the soap also. You have a choice of using your card, which is only card contact, or you can use coins, or you can use billets also. That's the paper money, right? Up there, those are information of all the rules, yes, of the laundry. Here we have, this is machine number 1. So we have 2, 4, 6, 8 machines inside here. All these machines here, they are 8 kilos. Right? Number 5 machine is 13 to 14 kilos. Right? And number 6 is 18 to 20 kilos, which is the one that I am now using. Yes. Over here, and this one is for, I think it's €9. 13 to 14 is for €8, I think, and I'm not sure of those ones. Over here we have the dryer. The dryer, which is €1 per 10 minutes. Over here. Right. See? This is the laundry. This is the flooring. After a while, I've done a laundry vlog, which is I went to the laundry and look what happened. So when I went to that laundry, I did a vlog. So when I came back to the laundry, I went there first, and to my surprise, that laundry was no longer there. It had been removed. So this is the same laundry that I did that video. The only difference is it has been removed because that place is under renovation now. So this laundry is the same one, but they change out they are now at a new location. They change out all the machines. Everything here is new, as you can see. So if you have not yet watched part one of that laundry, you can go and watch part one. I will put that link in the bio of this laundry. So that's the reason why I decided to do this part two, to show you the difference of both laundry. So guys, I will put the link of that video in this description box, so you can watch that part one, and then you will get the understanding of part two. Take a look at outside, guys. It's now getting near night. You see, wherever I move around to, I am always in the reach of transportation. So take a look at outside. This is how my surrounding at the laundry is looking. Yes, guys, this is how my surrounding. This is the entrance to the laundry. See, this is the laundry, guys. But as I say before, this is my worst part of living in France, because I do not like coming to the laundry. You see how the place is beautiful? Look at it. It's night now. It's some minutes to 6 o'clock. And look at the place. Look at it, guys. If you have watched this video to the end, leave me a purple heart. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel with that post notification bell on. So, bye for now. I'll see you in my next video.